YouTube, welcome to TechTube. Today's video is how to mute or unmute someone in Discord. Now you can by muting and unmuting, it's like maybe someone spamming or doing something that you don't want them to do. You can mute them. As in if they're muted, they can't send anything in the server or chat, whatever. It's for servers, but yeah. They can't send messages in the server, or they can't even join voice messages or voice calls unless you unmute them. So let's see how's that done.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
So we will start. We are going to use a bot called Me6. So this is their site, me6.xyz. The link is in the description below. Click on login. Give it 1 second. It takes a little time. Yeah. Sign in with your account here. Login. Authorize it to do it. Everything. Yeah. Select your server. Continue. Yeah. Allow administrator to sometimes. If you want to meet a mod. Authorize. Now, I was talking about a mod, and yeah, if you want to know what that is, you can see my video about it, in the card section. The link is in the description for that video. Yeah, back to this. Yeah, I think maybe we should keep this. Yeah, record. So people like it. Yeah, so go back to dashboard. Sort anything, yeah, sure, fine, whatever. Disable levels, because it just keeps saying level 1, level 2 unnecessarily. Make sure moderator is enabled. So once that's done, go to DOG. See, it's back here. Me6. Go to the server settings and roles. Make sure Me6 is above muted. Save your changes. Then you see, try and do it. So exclamation mute, then @ and write the name of the person. For example, this person. So yes, this thing happens sometimes. You see, it can't do it because it isn't a moderator or owner yet. So allow it a mod and owner permission just in case. Like me, yeah. So let's try now. Mute @DG, yeah. So you can mute it at all. Then what you have to do is remove that person from mod. Then let's see now. Yeah, see, you can even add reasons if you like. Just write the reason after and just do this to unmute. See, for the reason, just see exclamation mute @DG. After that, you see, just write your reason. For example, sorry, or sorry, spam, maybe like that. Once you're done, click enter. Guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to TechTube. Bye bye.